Guys, ever tried shooting video or snapping photos on your phone only for it to feel wobbly, awkward, or just flat out uncomfortable? Well, today's little gadget completely changes the game. It's called the KiwiFotos Universal Phone Grip, and it turns your smartphone into a handheld camera. How? Well, stick around and I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, the KiwiFotos Universal Phone Grip. Now, phones have become cameras for a lot of people, meaning that it's not just the odd snap, right? People are actually using their phones for some serious photography, and why not? But with phones becoming thinner and, let's face it, more fragile, having a sturdy and functional grip is definitely the way forward. Now guys, before we get into it, KiwiFotos reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this phone grip. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. We also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and we've got this little lanyard strap so you can attach it to your wrist. Now guys, the first impressions is this looks like a chunky phone holder, but the devil is always in the detail. And you know what? Once you start using it, you realize that it's more than just a grip. It's basically a mini camera rig that fits in your pocket. Now guys, here's where it gets fun. The extendable clip works with most smartphones from small to large size, but switching between landscape and portrait is just literally a flick of the wrist, which is perfect if you're shooting TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. On the top, guys, you have what looks like a conventional camera control, but actually there's more to it than this. First off, it allows you to pair this with your phone via Bluetooth, and once you've paired it, you can then use that button as a shutter control button to take photos and record video. You then have a plus and minus button. Now, I think that these buttons are meant to control the zoom functions, but sadly I couldn't get these to work on my iPhone 16 Pro. Then guys, the nice thing about this control is it's actually detachable and works up to 10 meters away. So you can set your phone on a tripod, step back and control everything. Photos, video recordings, and even zoom on supported devices. Like I said, didn't work for me, but I'm not sure why that is. Now guys, check this out. You've got cold shoe mounts on both ends, and that means that you can attach any accessories like a microphone on one side, maybe an LED light on the other, instantly turning your phone into a mini pro rig. Another cool feature on this grip, guys, is that you can turn it on its end and it can act as a stand. It even tilts so that you can find the perfect viewing angle. Now, a strange thing that I found, but not sure if that's just my unit or maybe there's a different type, maybe a different model of this. But on the other side, it looks like that this should be magnetic, right? So you kind of have a plate here. Now, it feels a little bit magnetic, but I would imagine that you should be able to stick some magnetic accessories on it, even your phone, whatever, and it should be able to work here. But you know what? Like I said, although there seems to be some sort of magnetic pull, it's definitely not enough to hold anything. So I'm not sure what that's all about. So there you have it, guys. The KiwiFotos Universal Phone Grip is more than just an accessory. It's a total upgrade for mobile creators, whether you're vlogging, live streaming, filming TikToks, or just wanting to take better selfies. It makes your phone feel like a legit camera. It adds those cold shoe mounts, wireless remote, and that comfy ergonomic design. And yeah, this is one of those little tools that, you know what, makes creating content that much easier. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab this bad boy for around £20. I'll leave any links in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to KiwiFotos for sending me this cool grip to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.